Guys, today I'm going to show you a new tutorial in PowerPoint in how to add music files and music to the background of your presentations. It's really easy, so let's get right into it. You first of all have to go to the Insert tab where you can find this Audio tab here. And here you can just upload music for your computer or you can record voice or whatever you want over the presentation. I will go in the audio from my PC and I would select one I have here on mine. Okay, so now you got this little icon and there's a lot of things you can try here. First of all, you can select when you want it to start. Maybe you want the music to start when you click on it, or maybe you want it to do automatically. Usually people want to do it automatically if it's in the background, or whether you want to go in one click when you want to show just a kind of music in a really part of your presentation, that concrete part of your presentation. But if you want to automatically, first thing you're going to notice when you start a presentation is that the music, the icon shows here. Okay, so maybe you want it to be hidden. That is kind of, you can do it here in hide during show. And now when you present, it's not longer available to see. Okay, so another thing you can do is that you want it to play across all slides, because now if I start playing music, I go into the next slide and the music stops. So all you can do here is you can just go to the music tab, playback, and then play across all slides. So now when you start a presentation, slides, 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 you keep hearing the music and it does not start or end. Okay. Another thing you can do is a short audio you want to loop until it stops. So maybe your presentation is a little bit long, so you want it to be looped. Also, you can just control the volume, and also what you can do is you can control when you want it to start or stop in a more faded way. Also, you can do is stream the audio. It's a really interesting feature. You can select the best parts of the music you want to in your presentation. So I think it's really easy, really simple, and I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If you have any comment, please comment in the comment section. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. So see you guys in the next video.